How to use Snapchat Friend Solar System trick. To use this Snapchat Friends Solar System trick, you have to subscribe to the Snapchat Plus or the premium version of the Snapchat. So to do so, simply tap on your Bitmoji located on the top right from your home screen or this camera, and you should be able to find this option. Go ahead and just simply tap this next button or select any of these options and simply tap next, then subscribe to the Snapchat Plus plans. And once you do so, all you have to do is simply open your maps by simply tapping on this pin icon located on the bottom left. Then from there, find the Friend Solar System, where you can also find this option by simply tapping on your profile icon and scrolling a little bit down, and you should be able to find this Friends Orbit. Now check your Friends Orbit from your chat list or this friend profile, and look for the gold ring badge that says best friends or friends beneath their name, and tap the badge to see which planet you are. If you see a planet, you are one of their top 8 closest friends. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.